Okay guys, in this video I will show you how to solve your homework and I will show you how easy was your homework, yeah. Okay, number 4 is C. We have fx equals to absolute value of 2 minus x square for negative 2 less than x less than or equal to 1. So the domain is given, yeah, so you have to follow the domain. The domain is between negative 2 and 1. Later we will create a table for negative 2 and 1, yeah, between negative 2 and 1. Okay, first you have to you have to find the vertex, yeah, for the x vertex and the y vertex. The x vertex will be 2 minus x square equals to 0. So negative x square equals to negative 2. X square will be 2, and then x will be square root of 2. Don't forget the plus minus in front of it. So x1 will be plus square root of 2, and then x2 will be negative square root of 2. Okay, so the vertex will be 2 points. The first one is square root of 2, and then minus square root of 2. The y, you will get y from these numbers, but there are no numbers right there, yeah, so you write 0. Okay, that is the vertex. And then the second one, you have to find the turning points. Turning points happens when x equals to negative b over 2a. Sorry, turning point, not points, yeah, it's singular. Okay, so x will be, first I want to rearrange the questions, the quadratics, negative x square, and then we don't have the x, and then plus 2, yeah, so a will be negative 1, and then c equals to 2. We don't have b, so b will be 0, yeah. So negative 0 over 2 times a is negative 1, so x will be 0. Okay, when x equals to 0, the value of y will be y equals to absolute value of 2 minus x square. So y will be 2 minus 0 square. Y equals to absolute value of 2, y equals to 2. From this one we will have 0, 2 as the turning point, ya. So sampai sini kita udah dapat 3 poin. Okay, next we have to create the table. Create the table from negative 2 until 1, ya, katanya. From negative 2 until 1. Negative 2 until 1. Meskipun di negatif 2 nya nggak ada sama dengan, ya, negatif 2 nya tetap digambar. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. Okay, find the value of y. Y equals to absolute value of 2 minus x square, ya. And then when x equals to negative 2, the result of y will be 2 minus negative 2 square. It will be absolute value of 2 minus 4. Absolute value of negative 2 equals to 2. So this one will be 2. How about when x equals to negative 1? When x equals to negative 1, that means y equals to 2 minus 1 equals to absolute value of 1. Sorry. The result will be 1. When x equals to 0, y equals to absolute value of 2 minus 0, and so on lah, ya. 2, and then 1. Kalau 1 jadinya 1. Oke. Dah. Nah, kalau udah baru digambar. Number 4, draw. Okay, the Cartesian is ready, so we have to plot. The first point is negative 2, 2. Negative 2 is right here, and then negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1, and then 0, 2, and then 1, 1, yeah, and then the turning points is 0, 2, because 0, 2 is turning points, is special, so I give blue. Wait, I give blue, and then for the vertex it's negative square root of 2 and square root of 2 ya. Square root of 2 is around 1.4, so it will be right here and right here. Okay, and then we have to connect the dot like that, then like that. But do not forget, we only have to draw from -2 until 1, so this one will be not drawn. Yeah, so we stop until here. And then the second thing is the -2 is doesn't have equal sign. Yeah, right here. Take a look at this. The -2 doesn't have an equal sign. It doesn't have, so we cannot draw as a colored dot. Yeah, as you know, if there are no equal sign, you have to draw blank dot. Okay, so this one will be blank dot and this one will be colored dot. That's it. That is the sketch. And then the question want us to find the range of the function. Yeah, the range. So the range will be, remember, range is a set values of y, so we have to focus on the values of y. Yeah, what is the smallest number of y and what is the largest values of y. Okay, take a look at this. First, the smallest value will be this one. This one is y equals to 0, so the smallest will be 0. And then the largest is this one, it is 2. Yeah, so the largest will be 2, so y is between 0 and 2. For 0 it has equal, and for 2, take a look at this, you have blank dot and then you have full dot right here. Ya, so yang menang itu selalu yang full dot ya, kalau ada apa barengan kayak gitu. Jadi kamu kasih tanda sama dengan. Okay, this is the range and this is the sketch. Next. Okay, next is number 5. Number 5 is fx equals to x square minus 2x ya. The domain is 1 until 3. So first we have to find the vertex. The vertex, the vertex will be x square minus 2x equals to 0. Make the function inside the absolute 0, and then you have to factorize it because it's quadratics. X minus 2 equals to 0. For this one you will get x equals to 0, and then for this one you will get x equals to 2. So there will be 2 vertex, 0 and 2, and then the yv is 0 ya. So this will be 0 and this will be 0. Okay, that is the vertex. And then the second one is turning points. I will say TP ya, turning points. It happens when x equals to negative b over 2a. I will rewrite the question for you. The quadratics is x square minus 2x. So the a will be 1, this one ya, and then this one will be b, and then the c is 0. C equals to 0 gitu. Okay, and then put into the formula negative minus 2 over 2 times a, jadi hasilnya 1. So the TP will be 1, when x equals to 1, and then find the value of y equals to absolute value of x square minus 2x. This is the questions, so you will have to find the y square minus 2 times 1 equals to absolute value of negative 1, y equals to 1. There you go, that is the value of y. Okay, so the turning point will be 1, 1. Next we have to create the table. The table will be, okay, so the table will be like this. Now we have to find the y ya. We only have to create 1, 2, 3 because the domain said so. So for x equals to 1, y will be absolute value of negative 1 equals to 1. So this one will be 0, and this one will be 9 minus 6 equals to 3 ya. So 1, 0 and 3, and then plot. Okay, let's plot. The first one is 1, 1 right here, and then 2, 0, and then 3, 3, and then turning points 1, 1, and then the vertex is 0, 0 and 2,0. Okay, let's draw it. The question want us to draw only from 3 to 1 ya. Jadi yang 0, 0 nggak usah. Jadi yang ini gini, and then this one is like that. Okay, this is our drawings. Perhatikan ini ya, yang sebelah sini kamu nggak boleh gambarnya gini ya. Nah gini nggak boleh ya, because it's quadratic. Okay, quadratic x square-nya positif, itu berarti opens up. Ini berarti ini harusnya gini ya, perhatiin kecekungannya, kelengkungannya. Okay, next. Oh sorry, that one is for B ya, sketch, but for A we have to calculate only. By the way, we already calculate F1 and F3 ya tadi di table. So for F1 equals to, mana tadi tabelnya, F1 itu equals 1 and then F3 equals to 3, this one and this one ya. Dah tadi udah ngitung. F1 equals to 1 and then F3 equals to 3. There you go, I already evaluate F1 and F3. That is question A, and then I already sketch it for you. That is answer B. Okay, next is number 6. Number 6, find the range of function for domain that, and then also the value of x for which fx equals to 2x. Okay, for 6a I want to show you how to find the range ya, without drawings. Okay, so first you have fx equals to absolute value x plus 1, and then we have to find the vertex. Yeah, first we have to find the vertex. The vertex will be x plus 1 equals to 0, so I will get x equals to -1, so the vertex is -1 for the x, and then for the y it is this constant ya, 0, so I have -1, 0. Next I have to find the values of x ya, table, the table, tapi tablenya nggak usah semua, kita cukup carinya yang when x equals to -2 and when x equals to 2 ya. When x equals to -2, the y will be x plus 1, so you put it right there. Y equals to -2 plus 1, it will be spacey, -2 plus 1 ya, so it will be y equals to -2 plus 1, -1, absolute 1. For this one, y equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Okay, so I have this one and this one. Take a look at this. The vertex is -1, 0 yeah. So we have -1, 0, and then we have 2, 1, and then we have 2,3 ya. Oke, jadi domainnya yang dicobain itu yang ujung-ujungnya aja ya. Kita lihat ujungnya domainnya itu -2 sama 2 kan, -2 sama 2 berarti ini -2 sama 2 tuh. Jadi kita cobain yang itu. Sebenarnya kan ada angka -1, there are -1, 0 and 1. You don't have to calculate the value of y for that, because we only want to find the range ya. Jadi sekali lagi, range itu cuma nyari yang vertex, nyari yang ujung-ujungnya dari domain. Nah kalau udah, tinggal dilihat y-nya. Take a look at the y ya, 0, 1 and 3. The minimum of y will be 0 and the maximum of y will be 3. So the range will be between 0 and 3. So the range will be between 0 and 3. You write 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. There you go. Ya, that is how to find the range without drawings. Okay? Tapi kalau kamu nggak yakin, ya udah gambar aja. Next, also the value of x for which fx equals to 2x. So now we have to intersect. Yeah, we have to intersect two function. The first function is fx equals to absolute value of x plus 1, and then the second function is fx equals to 2x ya. To intersect two functions, you have to substitute. Okay, So this fx will substitute to the second fx. You write absolute value of x plus 1 equals to 2x. After this you have to follow the rules for absolute equation ya. You have to divide them into 2. X plus 1 equals to 2x. The second one will be x plus 1 equals to negative 2x. This one negative x equals to negative 1, x equals to 1. And then for this one 3x equals to negative 1, x equals to negative 1 over 3. Do not forget this is the third type of the absolute equation, so you have to check the answer ya. Check your answer. How to check it? Put it right there. For the x equals to 1, so I will have 1 plus 1 equals to 2 times x. Absolute value of 2 equals to 2, 2 equals to 2, correct? And then for this one, absolute value of negative 1 over 3 plus 1, and then equals to 2 times negative 1 over 3. The result is 2 over 3 equals to negative 2 over 3. 2 over 3 equals to negative 2 over 3 is not the same ya, so this one is not the answer. The answer is only x equals to 1. Be careful because this is a function. Enggak, pertanyaannya find the value of x aja ya. Kalau find the value of x aja selesai. Tapi kalau diminta find the solution, if the question wants you to find the solution ya, or find the coordinates of the intersection, itu harus x, y ya. Oke, jadi kalau yang ini cuman value of x aja. Next. Okay, next is number 9. Number 9 you have to sketch ya, y equals to 2x plus minus 1, and then y equals to absolute value of x minus 2 on the same diagram ya. You can use my steps, find vertex and then create table, or you can use the faster way. Okay, this is only sketch, not drawing, so you can use the one that I teach you. So first, you have to solve ya. You have to solve berarti ini harus pakai apa? Scale sih. Kan katanya sketch terus solve ya. Oh ya, harus pakai sorry. Harus pakai ukuran sebenarnya, oke? Okay? Pertama yang ini dulu, y equals to 2x minus 1. You have to create table for it. First is x and y, and then 0. For x equals to 0, the value of y will be 2 times 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. And then for x equals to 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so we have 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1 is right here. And then 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. Okay, and then connect it using a line. Will be like this. Okay, that is the linear function, and then the absolute function will be y equals to absolute value of x minus 2. First find the vertex. The vertex will be x minus 2 equals to 0. So we will have x equals to 2, this one is 2, comma, and then the yv is 0 ya. 0. Okay, 2, 0. 2, 0 is right here. And then create the table. Tablenya nggak usah banyak-banyak. Gini aja, x and y around 2 ya. Around 2 berarti ada 1, ada 3, ada 0. Okay. Kalau 0, y equals to absolute value of x minus 2. When x equals to 0, the value of y will be 0 minus 2, negative 2 equals to 2. This one will be 2. X equals to 1. Ini berarti y equals to 1 minus 2, negative 1 equals to 1. Ini juga 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Oke. Nah, jadi tinggal digambar. 0,2 itu ada di sini. And then 1,1. And then 3,1. Yuk, gambar. Like that. And like that. Okay. Then you can see the point of intersection ya. The point of intersection is this one. It is 1,1. So the solution of simultaneous equation y equals to 2x minus 1 and y equals to absolute values of x minus 2 is 1,1. There you go. Okay, next. Okay, number 12. A function is defined by fx equals to absolute value of x squared minus 3x. Find the values of x for which fx equals to x ya. This one doesn't have to sketch because there are no instruction to sketch. But if you want to sketch it, I will teach you later ya. So first you have to write this one first. Fx equals to x, and then change the fx. We have fx itu x square minus 3x ya, equals to x. Nah, pakai absolute equationnya, divide by 2, x square minus 3x equals to x, and then for the second one, x square minus 3x equals to negative x. Good. And then move the x square minus 4x equals to 0. So for this one we can factorize into x in the bracket x minus 4 equals to 0. For this one, x square minus 2x equals to 0. So x in the bracket x minus 2 equals to 0 ya. For this one we will have x equals to 0. For this one we will have equals to 4. And then for this one we will have x equals to 0. For this one we will have x equals to 2. And then because this is the third type, we have to check the solutions ya. Check the solution into this one. Okay. So absolute, I will write x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x equals to x ya. First is 0. For 0, when x equals to 0, the result will be 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 0 equals to 0, correct. So this one will be the solution. And then for x equals to 4, it will be 16 minus 12 equals to 4. 4 equals to 4, also correct. This one is solution. For this one, 0 already. And then 2, x square minus 3x equals to x ya. 2. 4 minus 6 equals to 2. Negative 2 absolute equals to 2. 2 equals to 2, correct. So they are all the solutions. So dia pertanyaannya x atau find the values of x ya, only x. So the value of x will be 2, will be 0, and then 4. There you go. That is for number 12 ya. But if you want to sketch, you can also find the values of x. Okay, I will teach you how to sketch it. How to sketch the function. Wait a minute. Okay, let's try to find the solution using sketch ya. First, I have x square. Have x equals to x square, and then minus 3x. So I have to find the vertex first. The vertex will be x square minus 3x equals to 0, and then you have to factorize it. X minus 3 equals to 0, and then you will have x equals to 0 for this one. For this one you will have x equals to 3. Okay, so there are two vertex, 3 comma, and then for the yv it will be 0 ya, this one, comma 0, comma 0. Okay, so we have the vertex, and then find the turning points. The turning points will be when x equals to negative b over 2a, negative b is negative 3 over 2 times 1 equals to positive 3 over 2 ya. So the turning point is 3 over 2, comma, for the y equals to x square minus 3x equals to absolute value of 9 over 4 minus 9 over 2 ya. It will be negative 9 over 4 kali 2 kali 2 18, ya betul, absolute. So y will be 9/4. Or maybe in decimal, in decimal it will be 1.5, 2.25. Okay, let's sketch it. Now, not yet ya, ada table ya. Create the table first. So x between 0 and 3 berarti ada negatif 2, negatif 1, 0 nya udah tadi, langsung 1, langsung 2, 3 nya udah, berarti langsung 4 ya. Oke, y ini berapa? Langsung aja ya, 4 and then 6, 10. For this one negative 1, 3, 4. For 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 16, 4. Oke, tinggal di sketch. Okay, I will not draw this one because it's too high. Negative 1, 4 right here, 1,2, and then 2,2. Wait, 2,2 right here, and then 4,4 ya, 4,4, and then 3,0, 3,0 right here, and then 0,0 turning points, this one. Okay, so the drawings will be like this. Oke, gitu ya. Nah, terus katanya fx equals to x, ada satu lagi fx equals to x. Jadi kita harus gambar ini juga ya, ini pakai table aja. So for x equals to 0, y will be also 0, and then for x equals to 2, the y also 2, so 0, 0 right here, and then 2,2 is right here. Use the line because it's linear function ya, linear function berarti bentuknya line. Okay, nah as you can see, the both function intersect at x equals to 0, the first one, and then the second one is this, x equals to 2, and then the third one is this, x equals to 4. There you go, that is the answer using sketching. Okay guys, that is all of your questions for homework. I hope you can understand it well. If you don't understand, you can ask me directly ya. Bye bye, thank you.